Hey everyone, Mark here from Sea Ray. I'm going to cover the features on the 2025 SDX 250 Surf. We're going to start right back here at the transom. First thing you'll notice is the contoured edge to give it a clean surf wave. Next thing you'll notice, standard for this boat, is the manual flip down swim step, which extends your afternoon into the water. Over here on the starboard side, you have a top-mounted telescoping ladder for easy boarding with a stainless steel grab handle. The SDX 250 Surf is equipped with a standard 300 horsepower Mercury Mercruiser, or you can upgrade to the 350 horsepower, both of which have the Bravo 4S forward-facing drive, which means your props are on the front of the outdrive, keeping the props away from the back of the boat. As we make our way into the cockpit, next thing you're going to notice is this huge sun pad here on the back of the boat. This actually flips down to make a sunbed. Nice and wide. You've even got stainless steel cup holders here that are recessed in, USB outlet for charging, and if you get the entertainment bundle, you got a Fusion stereo remote. As you make your way on board, first thing you're going to notice here is this built-in storage. It's drained, so it's a great place to stash your surf lines or dock lines. There's also a transom door, and if you have a higher dock, we have non-skid up here, as well as a step for easy boarding. Making our way into the cockpit of the boat, this is a surf boat. It's got a little more than 1,500 pounds of ballast in hard tank ballast with 3 pumps. So you have tanks underneath where I'm standing, both port and starboard, as well as a bow tank. So real tunability for the surf wave. Over here on the port side, you have deep storage. You can put life jackets in here. They get residual heat from the engine and keep them warm, especially if you ride late into the season. You can also put a couple of surfboards in here or a wakeboard. Also, you're gonna get this tower. This is electric folding tower. You can add board racks to it. These are the PTM clamping board racks. They swivel inboard. There's also a huge bimini that covers from the windshield to the back of the cockpit zone for full shade coverage. Over here on the starboard side, there's a built-in cooler with a drain. These recesses are really nice too. They have got cup holders on both sides that are recessed. With the entertainment bundle, that's also going to include your inductive charging. This boat's all about convertibility. So not only is it a smooth ride, a boat that can surf, but it can entertain as well. So both sides of these seats slide forward. This turns your companion seat into a rear-facing lounge. This really frees up a lot of space here. You got room for a carry-on cooler that can tuck under here. You got your Fusion head unit. You have drainage channels in here for water management, as well as a glove box. Over here at the helm, a few really cool features. This boat is equipped with Sea Ray's NextWave surf user interface. Not only does it do surfing though, it also is great for other water sports like wakeboarding or skiing or tubing. It makes it really intuitive for operating this boat. You can hit surf right, surf left, it'll automatically adjust. There's an icon to adjust your wave height. Easy monitoring of your ballast tank levels as well. Over here at the throttle, this is a digital throttle and shift system. You have your toggle switches for your basic features, like your running lights, your blower. Now I mentioned this is a 25-foot boat, but it is so versatile. You also have a head compartment, which is great for additional storage. This slides away, making it easy to enter. You can equip this boat with a pump out or a vacuum flush head. You got more storage here on the port side. This is where your dedicated table storage would be. If you get the comfort bundle, that includes your bow table and your cockpit table. You have a rounded curved windshield with an opening. There's also a bow block off that can go across if you want to extend your season and block out the elements. Up in the bow, you have more storage under these seats. There's also recesses for cup holders, phone storage. There's more charging outlets in the bow as well. One thing I really like too is you've got another built-in cooler up here. Right at the very front of the bow, we have a bow boarding ladder. That's an option, but there's also a built-in anchor locker as well. So if you're family that's looking to get into water sports, but you don't want to sacrifice anything, you still want to entertain, check out the SDX 250 Surf. For more information, visit us at searay.com.